Hello guys! We're here. We're just driving around. My hubby and I. We're so bored in the house. Ayan. Nag-on muna kami. Nag-driving around lang kami. Day off naman kasi namin. Ayan. Pag day off, naggagala kami. Kasi wala nga kami magawa sa bahay. Ayan. So ayan. Winter pa rin. Ayan. Until now. Dito kami sa ano? Assiniboine Park, darling?
Eh?
Assiniboine Park?
Yes.
Oh, yan. Dito kami sa Assiniboine Park. Ayan, nakita niyo yung isno na yan. Ayan, ako po, Diyos ko, look. Ang taas-taas. Grabe. Ayan. So now, we're just driving. So we're out in the park now. Driving lang kami sa ano, yan sa mall, outlet mall, nag-outlet mall kami. Ayan. Pag bored sa bahay, gala-gala lang. Ayan yung mga bahay, oh. Ayan. So, pero baka mga 2 weeks from now, mag-memory na siya ulit. Gaganda na ulit ang weather dito sa amin. Kasi rito late snow now, late din ang ano, ang melting. My Bruce Willis is driving. So ayan, marami diyang ano, maraming apartment. Ayan, kami dinadaanan. Ay. Buhay in Canada. Ayan. The life in Canada is to work. To work every day.
Oh.
To make some money, you know. Ganyan ang buhay dito. So, ayan na. Okay, maybe later, after this gala-gala, we're gonna go for dinner. Yeah, I mean Saturday.
Where are we going for dinner?
We're going to Frankie's restaurant, maybe. We're gonna try that one. We didn't try it yet, so we're gonna be there later. It's early pa naman, so baka mamaya.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye daw, sabi ni Darling.